Sending money internationally just got easier by tapping into the power of PayPal's Xoom and MoneyGram working together. This tutorial will guide you step-by-step on how to leverage Xoom to send money via MoneyGram, combining the convenience of familiar platforms for a seamless international transfer. First, ensure you have both a PayPal account and the Xoom app downloaded and set up if you don't. Xoom is a PayPal service, so linking your PayPal is the first key step. Open the Xoom app or go to the Xoom website, navigate to the Send Money option. This is where you'll begin the transfer process. Next, you'll enter the recipient's country and the amount you wish to send. Xoom will then show you the available delivery methods for that specific country. Look for the option that says MoneyGram or Cash Pickup at MoneyGram. Crucially, select MoneyGram as the chosen delivery method. This tells Xoom to process the transfer through MoneyGram's extensive cash pickup network. You'll then proceed to enter your recipient's details, making sure all information is accurate, including their full name as it appears on their identification. You'll then select your preferred payment method for the transfer, which could be your PayPal balance, linked bank account, or a card. Xoom will clearly display the exchange rate and any fees involved, so you know exactly what your recipient will receive and the total cost. Review all the details one last time before confirming your transfer. Once confirmed, Xoom handles the rest, initiating the transfer through their partnership with MoneyGram. Your recipient will then be able to pick up the cash at any participating MoneyGram location. This method offers a fantastic alternative by letting you use the familiar Xoom interface while ensuring your funds can be accessed conveniently as cash through a trusted MoneyGram agent location. It's a versatile way to send money when a bank account isn't an option for the recipient. Quick, easy, and reliable. That's the Xoom and MoneyGram advantage.